Hey guys, it's Mad Monday again, and today we're going to talk about powder protection. Specifically, we're going to talk today about lab coats. So here we have three different kinds of lab coats. Over there we have a cotton lab coat, here we have a throwaway plastic lab coat, and here is a multi-use plastic lab coat. Let's start with this one over there. So while these are widely used in pharmaceutical labs or chemistry labs and stuff like that, those coats are not very ideal for handling powder because the fabric will easily absorb powder, and when you walk around your facility it will just start falling off and you will basically drag the powder everywhere in your facility. So if you don't have anything else, it's better than nothing, but these lab coats will basically spread the powder throughout your facility. Over here we have the one-way or one-use plastic lab coat from, in this case it's from 3M, and these are good because they're fairly smooth, so the powder will not stick to it that well. However, I believe those are not anti-static, so if you move around a lot, the powder will still kind of get drawn to it, but it will stick better to the coat and will not just easily rub into the fabric like on the other one or fall off. So those are, well, okay if you have guests and stuff like that, but I would not recommend them to use them that often. Which brings me to the plastic coat that is reusable. And this is one that I actually really like because it's very, very smooth. The powder does not stick to it. It's actually anti-static, and it's easily washable at 60 degrees. So you get out the powder out, you get all your sweat out. The only thing I don't like about it is because it is, 100% plastic, you will sweat under that pretty intensely if you wear it for a long time. So that's sort of the only drawback, but other than that, if you can get yourself one of those multi-use lab coats. This one is from Quantus. I really like those coats, and you can even personalize them with little tags over here. So those were a few quick tips about lab coats. So if you want to learn more about AM and stuff like that and have specific questions, write me or write a comment down below. And as always, see you guys again next week.